Ako dito. Ayan, at simula ng kainan ng aming Christmas dinner. May razors. Ayan. Kain lang kayo mga nagagandahan. Alright, kain lang ha. Ayan. Sammy, just find your food, okay? There's plenty for everyone.
No, Sammy's okay. Sammy's okay.
3 years anniversary in Irazone. That's why
You already know the round, right? You know how we operate.
I want to cry.
Akin niya
today
namin.
is 3 years.
Yeah, can't imagine it. Kain lang, kain lang. Ayan. Jo, kain lang ha. Don't be shy ha. Salamat sa prayer ha. Pasensya ka na, si Ma'am Jackie talaga mahilig mag-pressure yan. Oo, sinalang ka ano. Kaya makapag... Sige lang pa. Ano, Sir Jong, i-document ko muna to at upo na ako ha. Loy, kain lang ha. O yan. Merry Christmas. Sige lang. Sige, kain na. Ayan. Sige,
Kain na. Sige po.
mamaya magsisimula na ang aming programa ini. Pero in the meantime, it's food feast. Ayan, ang dami namin pagkain tonight. Sasarap. Yum. Diba?
Kain po.
Oo, kain Jun. Ito Jun, favorite mo oh. Ito, tulingan ha. This is ginatang tulingan. Kung gusto niyo pala Jun ng basmati rice, meron na kami dyan yung low on sugar ba?